camera window and trying to engage the production team, which is against the house rules. Also, Erica, who was the head of house, threatened to kill fellow housemate Lekon outside the house. Erica said what went wrong in her relationship with Lekon is when he started telling people that she tried to kiss him several times. She said to her knowledge, this happened just once and she was intoxicated. She added that Lekon knows that if not for alcohol, that wouldn't have happened, and lied that she tried to kiss him a couple of times. Answering the questions about Kiddwaya's involvement in her strikes, she said that Kiddwaya was responsible for the strikes she got as well as she was responsible for the strikes Kiddwaya got.
I have apologized to the housemates before leaving, and I would like to apologize to everybody who watched the show, all my supporters, fans, my family, my friends. I am very sorry for my actions, and I'm very, very sorry for saying those horrible words to Lekon. Lekon, I do not hate you. We have our disagreements, but I don't hate you. And to everybody I insulted, Prince, Dora, all the different people I insulted, I'm very, very sorry. It's the day after disqualification. I feel relieved. I'm happy to be outside. I'm happy to see my loved ones and my supporters. I really needed that, so I'm very happy to be outside the house. Now, I know that I have to be fine with being on my own. My favorite moments in the house were when I won the head of house. The 2 times I won the head of house are important. I'll be very grateful to have them. Now that I'm done with Big Brother, the ventures I would love to go into, obviously my acting. I would love to be a brand ambassador for numerous brands. I would love to go into real estate. I would love to...
Meanwhile, after Erica's disqualification from the Big Bbnaijalockdown show on Sunday, fans have decided to open a GoFundMe account for her in a bid to raise money for a transition from the Big Brother reality show to real life. The GoFundMe account, which was opened on Sunday, has now got $18,185 so far out of a $100,000 goal. While so many people have kicked against a GoFundMe account opened for the ex-Big Bbnaijalockdown housemate, other people have said that people should be allowed to do what they like with their money. Meanwhile, the handlers of Erica's social media accounts have said that the ex-Big Bbnaijalockdown housemate is yet to have access to her phone or social media accounts. In a post on Instagram, the handler said, "Elite lovers, please, Erica is yet to take over our social media account. Our handlers are still in charge till she's okay enough to get on our account. Her mental health is more important than anything at this point. She has no access to her phone till further notice. We wish Erica all the very best and we hope that she'll be able to get on from here as fast as possible."